India has started work on the strategic 1,700 kilometers long frontier highway in Arunachal Pradesh that will be completed by 2027 and will enhance military mobility towards LAC. India and Mauritius have joined hands to develop and launch a small satellite within a swift 15-month time frame, and India will bear the estimated cost of 20 crore rupees for the satellite's realization. Indian security establishments are actively investigating the possibility of a third party diverting Indian-made artillery to Ukraine. Adani Group is planning to set up a manufacturing facility for missiles and counter-drone systems in Telangana, and the state government has offered infrastructure amenities and subsidies to attract the group's investments. Latest reports indicate that the overhaul of 3 Mi-26 helicopters will now be done locally with help from a Russian defense firm, and the entire repair and overhaul process will take 30 months. Following the closure of TAP's male UAV program due to technical shortcomings, Israel has stepped forward with an offer to locally manufacture its Heron Mk2 unmanned aerial vehicles in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. India Optel Limited has indigenized the wire used to guide the Indian Navy's Soot torpedo, used from Type 209 and Scorpion-class submarines of the Indian Navy. India's upcoming Tejas Mk2 fighter jet will feature a modular engine bay that is designed to accommodate even more powerful engines in the future. This modularity will ensure that when the time comes for engine upgrade, it will allow seamless integration of the new 110 kN engine that will be developed for the AMCA program. The new 110 kN engine will be roughly the same size as the American F414, eliminating the need for major modifications to the air intake and engine bay when integrating it into the AMCA Mark II and AMCA Mark I. The F414-powered TED-BF fighter jets will also be compatible with the new 110 kN engine that will open up possibilities for broader adoption of the indigenous engine across various platforms in the future. Indian Navy's elite MARCOS commandos boarded the hijacked merchant vessel Leela Norfolk and have rescued all 21 crew members, including 15 Indian nationals from the hijacked vessel. The group of hijackers deboarded the merchant vessel after INS Chennai guided missile destroyer reached the spot and issued warnings, and the MARCOS carried out a full sweep of the vessel and ascertained that there were no pirates on board. INS Chennai also rendered support to restore the power generation and propulsion, and commence her voyage to next port of call. At a time when Pakistan has announced plans to induct Chinese J-31 stealth fighter jets by 2029, Indian Air Force officials have said that the J-31 stealth capabilities might not be as cutting-edge as initially perceived, and its internal assessment suggests that the Su-30 fighter jets can effectively detect and engage the J-31, and its upgrade with indigenous gallium nitride-based Virupaksha ASA radar will give it an upper hand in many scenarios. The indigenous Archer NG male UAV will conduct its first flight by mid-2024, and it will offer a dual-engine configuration, providing operators with the flexibility to choose the engine that best aligns with mission objectives. Alongside the indigenous 180 horsepower engine, Vehicle Research and Development Establishment is also in the initial stages of designing a potent 220 horsepower engine, and simulations have even hinted at the possibility of reaching 32,000 feet. It will be equipped with electro-optical pods, laser designators, and a variety of weapons. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.